So we had the driver call on you.
Left foot on the line. Keep measuring line. I want to place your right foot in front of your left foot. Toe-to-toe contact. Put your hands down your side. We're going to remain in that position.
We have to do. Everything's recorded. You understand that?
I'm not coming back to that PD.
Back.
No, there's no cuss.
What up, YouTube? Joe Kyser here. We have Lieutenant John Chu getting pulled over by two of the guys that work for him. Let's get right into it and see what's going on.
Hey, LT, how you doing?
Somebody pulled it on you driving erratic.
Erratic driver.
Headed home.
My mic's live, just so you know, at this point. I mean, my camera. We had an erratic driver call. Lieutenant Chu. We got him on a 38 honeysuckle on Idell. I'm in charge right now. I just wanted to call and let you know. I was behind you. Did you get any? Yes. We gotta do what we gotta do.
This whole time, Lieutenant Chu's like, no, don't do it. He is so drunk. He does not want them to do this. But, like they said, unfortunately, they got to do what they got to do, right, Lieutenant Chu? There's no getting out of this one now, buddy.
We're going to have to lock him up because he's 450, dude. So we had the erratic driver call on you. I guess Nucius had some observation. We have to handle this like anything else. He's going to ask you to step out. We already talked to Lieutenant Prioli. All right? He's gonna make sure you're safe to operate the vehicle, okay?
In the state of New Jersey, the legal limit's 0.08. What do you guys think his blood alcohol level is right now? Go below in the comments, leave your guess. At the end of the video, I'll let you know how close you were.
I drive half a mile.
I understand, but everything's recorded now, sir. You know that. We got to handle it how we have to handle it. He's just going to talk to you. You know how it is. He's going to ask you some questions, make sure you're all right.
I'm fine.
Do me a favor, can you just take your hat off for me, please, sir? Can you just take your hat off? Feet together, hands down your side.
LT, let's get him off this. We don't want to do it in the middle of the road here. Let's get him off the side. I'm going to kill my lights too, all right? I just put the back on.
Right,
LT, let's get you out of the middle of the road. We don't want you in the middle of the road here. Let's go off to the side.
Check your eyes real quick. Hands on your side, feet together. You see the tip of my finger? I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Just your eyes. Don't move your head for me, alright?
Now the cops have pulled him over. They're just going through the motions. They're literally collecting evidence against their buddy right now to convict him. Unfortunately, that's how the ball rolls there, Chu.
Left foot on the line. Use the measuring line. I want you to place your right foot in front of your left foot. Toe-to-toe contact. Put your hands down your side. I want you to remain in that position.
Now, you have to remember, he knows the process here. He knows what he's supposed to do. And look what he's doing. He is not doing what he's supposed to do. So he's going to waddle himself all the way back here, turn around, tell him, well, what do you think? He's like, no. This is how you do it. Watch very closely. But he knows this. He knows he's supposed to go foot to foot or end to end. And there you go. So now he's starting to take a little bit more serious. I think he just thought that he was just going to get off. Like, it's no big deal. Like, every time I get pulled over, I'm a police officer. I get let go. I don't have problems.
Alright, the next test I want you to perform. Leg of your choosing. You're going to raise that leg approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground. Both knees locked out. And you're going to count in this manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand those instructions?
Yes.
Begin. Do you not wish to complete the test, sir? You got to get your hands off the truck, sir. Ready? I'll give it to you again. Hands together, feet down at your side. You're going to raise either leg of your choice, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground. And you're going to count. 1001, 1002, 1003. While you're counting, I want you to look down at your toe. Keep both knees locked out. Do you understand?
You know what?
Hold on, LT.
Do you have any better guesses yet to what his blood alcohol level was? Give it a couple more minutes and I'm going to let you know. You probably are not going to be surprised about it.
You don't want to complete the test?
No, I don't.
Now, if that were you or me, tell me they wouldn't say, all right, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
You want to give it? You don't want to complete the test, sir?
No.
All right.
Ask him again. Beg him. Come on.
Sir, you know we don't want to be put in this position.
You know what, John? I get it.
Obviously you don't, drunkie.
You don't have your weapon on you or anything. You don't have any firearms.
No, it's shit.
No, it's stuff I got to ask, sir. Or LT.
Shit, no.
Okay.
No.
All right. Your observations. LT, we're gonna have to bring you in and put you on the box based on the test. You know we don't want to do this. We have to do. Everything's recorded. You understand that?
No, I get that.
Meaning if they really could cut him a break, they would do it. Absolutely 100%. Take away the body camera and see what happens.
You want me to grab your phone or anything? Your phone's not on you, right? Mike's gonna check to make sure it doesn't have anything on. Okay. All right, nothing personal. Our safety and yours. You know what we have to do. I just want to check to make sure you don't have anything on you. All right?
Shit, you know what, John? Go ahead. Do what you got to do.
All right. Can you walk back to this car with us, please?
No, you know what?
What's her?
Nah, you know what? What do you think is going through his mind right now? Come on, let's put those drunk thoughts together. Nah, I'm not doing it. Yeah, nah. He's trying to come up with a drunk escape plan. This is great.
I would love to know who called.
You can find that out. You know that. You can find out. I don't know who called. I do not know, but you know you'll be able to find that out. We did not know we were looking for this truck, sir. Came out as an erratic driver. Handled it how any cops would have. But unfortunately, we're in a situation now.
No, I get it. I totally get it.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I would never disrespect you.
I know you wouldn't.
No, I wouldn't.
And I wouldn't disrespect you either, sir.
Come on, brah. Take it like a man.
So with all respect, can we get you back there so we can get you off the street, get away from this?
I'm not going back to that PD.
Put your hands out, put the cuffs on. Come on.
I'll tell you at this point, our hands are tied. I mean, I hope you understand.
I totally get it.
And we don't want to make the situation any worse, sir.
No, listen,
You know?
I
I know you're not gonna-
not make it worse.
I understand that. I know you wouldn't. That's what I'm saying. If we can get you in the back of the car, get you out of here.
Way more leeway than any civilian would ever get. But, you know, he's doing the right thing, so he's still going to get patted on the back regardless. I mean, what's there to think about?
Let me ask you this. Can I have 20 minutes?
Sir, you know we cannot do that. Everything is... Sir, everything's
No,
on
I
camera.
get it. I totally get it.
Look at this cop here. What a super trooper.
See, people are starting to drive by it. LT, let's get you out of here, okay? Can you come with us?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go in the back of Mike's car. We'll get you out of here. Make sure
you know
you're
what?
safe. What's up? I can't let you get in the car. You know that.
Well, then you drive it.
I'm saying you can cuff him in the front. We're not going to cuff you in the back, okay? We're going to do it in the front, all right?
You serious?
Yeah, sir, you understand this. You would hate to be in our position too. John, please, John. Please, John. John, please.
John's really pushing it, isn't he?
We'll get you the help you need. Let's just, come on.
I mean, this poor kid, he's just trying to do his job, and this dude's just putting him through
You
the
know we
ringer.
don't do this to you. All right, well, we gotta get this process up. People are starting to come. We're all gonna get. You know what?
You know what?
Other people
John,
responding out
tell
here.
me you,
Sir, I would like you.
just
This
tell
is what's
me.
gonna happen. We're gonna get you behind this door so no one sees. Mike's gonna put the cuffs on you in the front.
No,
put you in the back.
no, there's no cuffs.
Yeah, what it's do? We have policies and procedures. Let me call the LT. Just you can shut the door for now. Oh man.
So now he's got to get a hold of the lieutenant on command and see what he thinks about no cuffs. What do you think is going to happen?
John, I'm just going to search it real quick, alright? Lean forward for me, bud. Okay.
We have to in the front. We'll do it right here. Don't have to do it behind your back. Okay. Please please cooperate.
John,
Listen.
come on.
John, we don't want this to turn into anything more. You know that. We don't want it. But we cannot lose our jobs. You understand, sir? You're my first sergeant. Thank you.
Lieutenant John Chu had a blood alcohol level of 0.36. That's 4 times the legal limit in the state of New Jersey. For someone his size, it's going to take approximately a 12-pack within an hour to reach that limit. Well, that's all I got for today, guys. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good whatever it is, wherever you're at. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!